So we got this situation, the term independent of x in the expansion of this. Okay, so this is team A and this is team B. Okay, you have to find term independent of x, means the person who will those person will fight whose after product x will take power 0. Okay, so look at this thing. So how we will approach this problem, try to understand. You know that here you can ask one to fight, but he will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who will take power 0. Okay, but it is not easy to ask for x power 0 because both elements x and y are carrying x. Okay, so it will become little bit difficult to find out the exact power. So what I will do, I will first try to manipulate the second team. Okay, so I am assuming that the rth, the term which will have lower subscript as r, will contribute in fight. Okay, so let's try to manipulate. So 9cr, then we have 3x square by 2, and we have minus of 1 by 3x. Okay, and this will carry power r and this will carry power 9 minus r. Slowly we will segregate the constant and the variables. So 9cr, now constants, so 3 by 2 power 9 minus r. I always get scared of this minus, so I'll segregate minus first, minus power r, and then 1 by 3 power r, and then we have x. Okay, now x square power 9 minus r. Okay, so can I write 9 2s are 18 minus 2r. Okay, so this is because of this person. Now look at this person, the denominator one. So it will take x to the power r. Okay, can I ask this person to go on the numerator so that it will have x power minus r. If you'll observe, the base is same. So if base is same, power will be added. So can I write minus 3r? Okay, now we got things done. Now look at this. We want coefficient. So look at this. So required coefficient. Now be super slow. I want one to fight. So one will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who will have x to the power 0. So this thing has to take power 0. So when it is possible? It is possible if 18 minus 3r will become 0. Means r will become 6. So if r is 6, we got our required person. So it is 9c6, 3 by 2 power 3 minus 1 power 6. It is even, so it will become positive 1. And then 1 by 3 power 6. Okay, so this is our team 1, and to which we will organize the fight. Now look at this part. I want this person to fight. So he will fight with whom? He will fight with the person who will have power minus 1. है ना? So x power minus 1 will be multiplied with x, and then it will become x power 0. Okay, so its coefficient is 1. I want this value to become minus 1. So what I'll do? 18 minus 3r equals minus 1. So 3r will become 19. So from here you won't get r as a whole number. So means x will not fight. Okay. So from this you won't get anything in coefficient. Now let's move on to the third member of your team. So if he wants to fight, he is 2 and he is having x power 3, so he will fight with the person who is having power minus 3, x power minus 3. Then only if it will multiply, it will become x power 0. So we wish to make 18 minus 3r to take minus of 3. So 3r is 21. So this means r should be 7. Okay, now let's take r to be 7. So 9c7, 3 by 2 power 2, and then minus 1 power 7 is what? Minus of 1. So this plus 1 will become minus 1. Okay, and then 1 by 3 power 7. Okay, so this is the coefficient of x power 0 in the given question. You can do the simplification part. I would suggest you guys to go with the common. Okay, it will reduce the timing. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. Okay.